Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Capricorn earth sign. So let's see your messages for you Capricorn. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Capricorn. What's the messages for you? The Tower, the Moon, Three of Cups. Definitely there is separation between both of you. For some it could be third party situation also, because there is lot of misunderstandings. One person hidden something from the other person. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Definitely there is some tower movement is already happened or it is going to be happen between both of you. So let's see some more. There are some trust issues between both of you. The Lovers. Who? Six of Cups. Yeah, for some definitely there is separation. For some the tower movement is only for good, because one person want reconciliation with other person because you both love each other. Still there is some trust issues I am getting. Six of Cups, definitely both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, one person want to go to another person, but it is very slow energy. The Lovers. Yeah, one person want reconciliation in this connection. Let's see who that person. So let's see some more messages. Yeah, Eight of Swords. One person is stuck. Page of Swords and Six of Wands. Yeah, one person in this connection is literally stuck. They don't know how to approach the other person because they're literally in this position. They're spying on your social media, but they don't making any move because they are stuck. But they want success with you. It could be you or your person. You want success with person, or you could be stuck. Four of Cups. Yeah, one person is very sad. I think this person is the stuck person. Yeah, Nine of Wands. Definitely they are guarded but not taking any action. Nine of Cups. I think you are their wish fulfillment but not taking any action. It could be you or your person. The signs here: Aries, Leo, Sag. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of fire energy and air energy and water energy is here. So let's see your person energy little bit, then we will confirm who is this person. So let's see your person energy little bit. Capricorn. Innocence. The Sun card. Yeah, your person maybe innocent. Change, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, they want to, I think things are favor in your person. Compromise. Six of Pentacles. Let's see. Celebration. Three of Pentacles. Three of Cups, sorry. Receptivity. Queen of Cups. I think your person has lot of emotions for you and they want equal give and take in this connection. I think it could be you not offering equal give and take in this connection past. Definitely things are turning in your person favor. I think you want your person back. Your person also want reconciliation with you, because Three of Cups with Wheel of Fortune. Definitely they want reconciliation with you and you also want reconciliation with them. Definitely innocence. Definitely they are thinking about you positive, but they think there is no equal give and take in this connection. They want equal give and take and they want to compromise you. Definitely I think the stuck person is you. You want your person, you want reconciliation with your person, but literally you are stuck now. And yeah, definitely your person have Queen of Cups. They have strong emotions for you. They already offered the cup of love, but you are not seeing the cup of love. You are only seeing the empty cups. Definitely your person is your wish fulfillment. Your person want equal give and take. Capricorn. Yeah, we are the world. Ten of Pentacles. Definitely they want stability. So it's up to you. If you offer stability, yeah, the burden. Six of Swords. Definitely this could be long distance relationship, some communication issues also. Your person want equal give and take and stability in this connection. because there is no stability, because you are stuck literally, and you don't know how to approach your person after the tower moment happened between both of you. So last card for the reading. Ordinariness. Yeah, 8 of Pentacles. Definitely you both want to work on this relationship, but waiting for the right moment. Your person waiting for you to take first move, and you are waiting for your person to take first move. So definitely you are stuck right now. Your person also want a reconciliation. So if you want reconciliation with your person, please make first move, because they also want to work on this relationship. I think the one person who put a lot of effort is your person, because there is no equal give and take in past, but now you are stuck. You want success with your wish fulfillment. Your person is your wish fulfillment. Definitely you are sad without your person. You are sad with for the missed opportunity. So make a move. Definitely your person has strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups. Change. Definitely things are in your person favor. So if you want reconciliation with you, definitely make a move. If you are stuck, if you are not give equal give and take in this connection, or your person not offering equal give and take, they will approach you. Energy could be vice versa. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.